Good morning, students. Today we are in part 13. In this part, we are beginning our third unit, Friendship and Duty. In this unit, it is mainly telling about the value of friendship and the duty of a friend. In this part, mainly we are discussing about activity 1 and the related question answers. Activity 1 is about an author, O. Henry, who wrote the story after 20 years. In activity 2, we are going to learn about the story after 20 years. O. Henry is the author of the story. So activity 1 is describing about the author. So let us begin. Unit 3, Friendship and Duty. Activity 1. William Sidney Porter, better known by the pen name O. Henry, was an American writer. William Sidney Porter, who is known by his pen name O. Henry, was an American writer. O. Henry's short stories are known for their wit, wordplay, warm characterization, and clear twist endings. The main characteristic features of the stories written by O. Henry are wit, wordplay, warm characterization, and clear twist endings. Wit means it is a use of intellectual language which is very easy to understand. Wordplay means the situations which are explained in a witty way. Warm characterization, it makes us attached to the characters of the lessons. Means the friendly type of characters and clear twist endings. He was born on 11th September 1862 in North Carolina and died on 5th June 1910. From December 1903 to January 1906, O. Henry wrote a story a week for the New York World magazine after published several short stories in other magazines. Between the year 1903 to 1906, from December to January, Henry wrote a story a week which was published on New York World magazine. After that, he published several short stories in other magazines. Some of his famous stories are The Last Leaf, The Gift of the Maggie, The Furnished Room, Cabbages, and Kings. The story, after 20 years, has the typical O. Henry twist. However, the characters portrayed could well make us reflect on our values. In the story, after 20 years, possesses the identical characteristics of William Sidney Potter, that is, have a twisted end. As the name mentioned, our third unit is mainly telling us about the value of friendship and the duty of a friend. Related that, here are three questions for you. First one, who is your best friend? Second, why do you like him or her? Thirdly, what do you mean by friendship? Take your notebook, a pen. These questions are not based on the textbook. You can write the answers to these questions on your own. Some sample answers I gave in these slides, but I'm not telling you to follow that. You can create the answers yourself, which is suitable for the questions. Firstly, who is your best friend? We can answer, Dash is my best friend. In the place of dash, you can write your best friend's name. Second question is, why do you like him or her? I know you may have your own reasons for this. This is just an example what I am giving. I like him because he is honest in his dealings with me. He stands steadfastly with me, whatever be the condition. He is very cooperative and helps me a lot. He shares many things with me. He is very much emotionally attached to me. The most important thing is our likes and dislikes are almost similar. Third, what do you mean by friendship? Few points I mentioned here. You can add your own points with this. Firstly, friendship is sharing joys and sorrows together. Friendship is having full faith in the other, never distrusting him or her. Secondly, friendship is being honest to each other. Third, friendship is helping a friend, particularly in times of crisis. Four, friendship is sacrificing for each other. I already told you can add your points with this. Now I'm sharing some extra question answers which can be asked from activity 1. You should copy these questions and their answers at the back side of your English notebook. The first question is, what is the pen name of William Sidney Potter? Answer, the pen name of William Sidney Potter is O. Henry. Second, mention the characteristic features of the stories written by O. Henry. The characteristic features of the stories written by O. Henry are wit, wordplay, warm characterization, and endings with a clear twist. Third, when and where was William Sidney Potter born? William Sidney Potter was born in North Carolina on September 11, 1862. 4. How many years did William Sidney Potter live? William Sidney Potter lived for 48 years. 5. Which are the most famous stories written by O. Henry? The most famous stories written by O. Henry are The Last Leaf, The Gift of the Magi, The Furnished Room, and Cabbages and Kings. 6. Where was O. Henry's story A Week published? O. Henry's story A Week was published in the New York World magazine. 7. When did O. Henry write the story A Week? From December 1903 to January 1906, O. Henry wrote the story A Week. 8. What speciality do the stories written by O. Henry have? The stories of O. Henry have the typically twisted ends. The characters portrayed in O. Henry's stories could well make us reflect our own values.